Hello friends, Ace Botany next episode. So we'll be continuing with the NCERT quick reference. That series. Detailed note I already published in YouTube. And daily I'm putting 2 questions in Ace Botany for objective exams at 4:15 p.m. So to get all this, subscribe Ace Botany, like it, share it, comment on it. So for convenience, I will share the screen so by which we can save time because it is quick reference. I'll share the screen. I think the screen came, so we can proceed. So NCERT quick reference. Today we'll be discussing Plant Kingdom, third part, Bryophyte, first one. All references based on NCERT, reprint edition, March 2024. And 3 main headings, that is, starting with the introduction, basic features, classification. Now, when we start with the Bryophyte, the term bryon came from or means it is moss. Bryon means moss. Now, bryology, that is study of bryophytes. Biology scientists dealing with the bryophytes. There is a famous Indian scientist in bryophyte. His name is S.V. Kashyap. He published an important book, that is Liverworts of Western Himalayas and Punjab Plain in 1929, dealing with the bryophytes in Himalayan areas, Western Himalaya and Punjab area. Based on it, a question came previously. Now, when we start to discuss the features of bryophytes, starting with introduction, true amphibians of plant kingdom, they are bryophytes. Embryophyta, the plant group starting with the embryo. Embryophyta, that begins with the bryophyte. Female sex organ Archegonia, that begins with the bryophytes. And no vasculature, no xylem phloem, no heterospory normally in bryophyte. Heterospory basically starts from teratophyte. I think after that it is clear. Now, general characteristics we are discussing. Main plant body is gametophyte. Gametophyte is missing. Gametophyte, that is haploid. And normally they are shade-loving plants. They are called sheophytes. No true root stem leaves. And plants are generally small. More differentiated than algae because they are evolved than algae. Sex organs are normally multicellular and with the sterile jackets. So jacketed sex organ starts from mainly bryophyte. Sexual reproduction is zoogamous. Sex organs Antheridium and Archegonium. I think this part is clear. Now, rhizoids, they will be unicellular or multicellular. Depends, depending on the group of bryophyte, whether it is primitive or advanced. Main plant body is haploid. Haploid means N, and it is gametophyte. Body that produces gamete. I think first page is clear, so we can proceed to second page. Okay. From Antheridium, generally we are discussing here Antheridium biflagellate male gamete. That is why bryophytes requires water for completion of their life cycle. So they're often called as true amphibians of plant kingdom. From Archegonium, a single egg. With the help of water, anthrozoids, male gametes reaches from 2 egg, reaches to egg. So male gamete, biflagellate male gamete swims through water and reaches egg and form diploid zygote. 2 and zygote will be 4. Sporophyte, that is diploid structure, depends on photosynthetic gametophyte for nutrition. So that shows gametophyte is predominant in bryophyte. Sporophyte has to depend on gametophyte. I think I did clear. Now we can proceed. Zygote develops into sporophyte, no doubt, but zygote do not undergo reduction division immediately. Some of the cells of sporophyte undergo meiosis because it is a diploid, undergo meiosis to produce haploid spores. Spores develops into haploid gametophyte. This is what given in NCERT page number 28, 29, reprint edition March 2024. Now, haploid gametophyte alternates with the diploid sporophyte regularly, and this event is called alternation of generation. Lower plants, gametophytic generation is dominant, that is haploid, while in higher plants, sporophytic generation, that is diploid, 2N is dominant. Now, here some diagrams are given. Lower plants here means algae, bryophyte, and algae and bryophyte. They are lower plants. Higher plants generally refers to because plant body become diploid, that is pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm. And this is Antheridium of bryophyte. This is biflagellate male gamete. And this is Archegonium. Maybe you can find there. Just label there. So, and see the diagrams are not there. Then, classification of bryophyte. Bryophyte mainly classified into 3, which include Hepaticopsida, Anthocerotopsida, Bryopsida. This is most advanced. This is most primitive. Hepaticopsida, liverworts. Plant body looks like liverworts. Example is Rixian marcantia. Anthocerotopsida, popularly called hornworts. Typical example is Anthoceros and Noctothylus. And bryopsida, the most advanced bryophyte, they're called mosses or masai. Example is Sphagnum, Funaria polytrichum. I think idea clear. So this we will be discussing in this episode. Next episode, we will be proceeding to liverbirds and we will be completing this bryophyte, including life cycle, economic aspect, etc. If you like this episode, subscribe, button, like it, share it, comment on. For time we can wind up. Take care. Bye. Thank you.